So once we have now created the webcam capture as shown in the previous video, I now want to show you how to embed or make it show in your Sunlearn forum. So we came here, we clicked on upload, we created the webcam capture, and then basically if you've created it and uploaded it, it will then be here in your My Channel. Let's just have a look. So you will see there is the video that I've created. The first one, how to do it, to do the YouTube webcam recording. So basically what we need to do is go to the video. Hi, so this is a short video to show you. There it plays, it's the correct one. And I basically I copy the address of that YouTube link. In other words, just the link that will bring you directly to this video. Now I'm going to Sunlearn again, and as you can see, I'm in the course and I'm at the discussion forum, and I'm going to just, as an example, click add a new discussion topic. All right, and I will say just new message, and in the message basically I now want to, I can write, etc. And now I want to place the YouTube video there. Now Sunlearn or Moodle is quite clever. If I give it a YouTube link, it will immediately automatically create a embedded YouTube video of it, like you've seen in my example. So what we do is I've copied that YouTube address. Now with Control V, I basically paste it there, but Moodle doesn't know it's a web page yet or a link. So I can select that and say with the editor, I want to make this a link. And now I paste that YouTube direct link again as a URL. And in the target, I just select open a new window. That's fine. And I click on insert. And now I can write some more, or I can just decide that is enough. This is my response on the video, and I post to forum. Continue. And now we must see what happened. New message. And there we can see it embedded by itself automatically that YouTube video right inside the forum, exactly as I've done it. So basically you are creating the video, the YouTube, then you harvest that link to the YouTube video, and in the forum you basically create a hyperlink using the editor and that link little sign to just create a link to that video directly, and Sunlearn and YouTube will do the rest. So that is how it works. I hope this makes it more clear.